We're in a place called Makueni in Makueni County. It's just about 3 kilometers from Wote town. It's a place called Makueni because of the trees that are prominent here called Mwa. And we're going to go into our forest where we have hung our beehives, and also where we also have some bee houses. We call them apiaries, where we keep beehives. The improved beehives, not the indigenous ones. So karibuni sana. All these leaves that you see on the ground here, which is actually food for the animals during the dry season. But if you look across the valley there, you'll see what our neighbors have done, for example. They've cleared everything and there are just no trees. And what happens is when it rains, all the soil is washed away. I have decided starting this year to be planting more indigenous trees. What we've done is we've taken seeds from various trees, propagated them, and I think I'll show you the nursery later, propagated them into tree seedlings, and I have people digging holes around the farm, and we're going to plant indigenous trees. When you see some places where trees are cut, it's been deliberate. It's basically pruning them to give them a chance to grow better. One of the main ingredients of honey is water, and bees will go 2, 3, 4, 5 kilometers to find water. We have covered so that it doesn't grow algae, so the water remains clean and fresh. Every now and then you'll find the bees are coming to sample some of the water. We also put fish in to keep the algae growth down. This is one of the water sources available to the bees.